Hi guys, welcome
Hi.
to our new vlog. To hi Kardana.
Hi.
So this is Kamal, this is Ram Chandrachari, and we are brothers. And today in our YouTube channel we are introducing a new gadget. Like after so many ups and downs, we get this project, like this.
Insta 360.
Yeah. So this one is like very near to our heart, and let's unbox it. We have already unboxed. Today we are showing you like what is this
Inside the box.
inside the box. So let's see and have a look on it. Yeah, this is the Insta 360. The cover is yet not open. Let me open it for you. See how beautiful is it? It is very tiny and it's very heavy also. So so excited.
Other accessories.
Yeah. From next videos you will get a very good quality and you will get whole 360 view of our around, and in next week we are going to a beautiful place which will not reveal right now. You can guess um, it may be in somewhere hilly place. So for that I am keeping this as a secret for now, and will reveal once we reach and complete the trip. Currently I have completed Karnataka and this vlog is coming soon, and I have captured few moments with like simple phone. I will try to make it after posting it very beautiful and nice so that with effects it will looks so good. So let's on it. I have on it looking like this. The screen is opening. Oh sorry, the
logo is loading.
logo is loading. You can see the view. How wider is it? I hope it's visible to in camera. It's very wide. The settings also there, 4K, 30, 25, and if you go to POV, that is not yet enabled because I don't have a memory card. When you are buying it, you consider it to buy the memory card also, and it's very much expensive. I bought it around 35K, and if you buy the stand invisible selfie stick, it will took you around 3K with a tripod, 3K, 3.5K. And if you want to buy some other accessory, it will cost you around 6K something. So please consider it before you buying this gadget. I did this one mistake, so don't do this and don't repeat it. And one more thing I want to show. See, this is a single lens. It looks very wide, and if I want to switch the camera, see how wide is it. In screen it is not showing, but if you see the camera in iPhone, which is currently we are recording, you can see the angle which is like the flat
Linear,
angle.
flat.
Yeah, so if you see this, you can see how wide it is capturing. Can you see it? So this is the good thing which I found, and it is almost taking the whole view of the room, and it's very convenient also. Like with simple switches you can control the entire camera, and these two cameras are like two eyes which capture the every moment. And the back side we have our brother Nikhil. He is also like our cameraman. Come here, Nikhil. Come. So, introducing my brother Nikhil, and this is all about the camera Insta 360, and you will going to see some good footages in the upcoming video. So till then, if you have any like any doubt or something, please reach out to us through our Instagram Acharya Weather, and also the comment section is for you. You can ping anytime, anywhere. So till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day. Bye bye.